Good morning. What a beautiful fall feeling morning it is out there. It's been a crisp morning, the sun is shining, the humidity is gone, so it just feels like all the fall thing. And I can't believe it is beginning of September. Today I thought I would just take you along as we go about our day, doing some different homemaking things. We're doing laundry. I have a mess of a kitchen to clean up. After breakfast this morning, I made sourdough pancakes for the rest of the family. Then we're also going to be working on a bedroom in the attic. That's exciting. I'll show you a little bit what my vision is for that. I don't know if you can hear that. There's a tractor running outside. Anyway, and then also I thought it would be fun to make my fall bucket list together, show you what I've put on there so far. And then for dinner, I want to share with you a recipe that I found on Pinterest actually that's also fall inspired. So I hope that you enjoy following along today. Let me know in the comments below what you're working on, and let's get started.
Recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
So this is the bedroom we're working in up here in the attic. Let me first of all show you the view out this window. It's so beautiful. It has a really fun window as well. But this is what you see when you look outside. Isn't that so peaceful? And you can hear the water fountain down there by the pond as well. If you are new here, my husband and I and our kids moved into this old 1700s farmhouse 2 years ago now, and we are still in the process of renovating the place. It is a big 3-story house, and so the top story here is honestly for guests. So we have 3 bedrooms up here, a sitting area, a bathroom that is simply for hosting and having company, so that's exciting. But we have someone scheduled to come for a month, so we're trying hard to get this done. But I thought I'd show you what we're working on in this bedroom. So this is a tiny little bedroom. I think we can squeeze a queen bed into here. And then it has these closets, which we already painted. Isn't it so pretty? I love this color. I want to switch out the hardware for gold hardware yet. There's not even room for a dresser in here, but it does have shelves in that side of the closet. And then around the corner from that, we have this little electrical box that I don't know, I think I'm gonna hang a picture over that. We want to do a really cool wood slat accent right over here, and this is also where the queen bed is supposed to go. Did a bunch of putty is what it's called. Anyways, patching up holes and stuff 2 days ago, so I need to sand that down before we can paint the walls. And then there's a little window. There's some interesting detail in here, I guess because it is technically the attic. And then along this wall, I'm thinking probably put a gold mirror here. The rug for this room just came in the mail today, so that's giving me some extra motivation to work on this and get it done. And then the plan is to put a queen bed in here. I already have, well, it's actually just the duvet cover. I need to get the actual duvet, but I am so excited for this room and I can't wait to show you the finished product. But for today, let's see if we can paint this thing. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, this purple is the color that all this trim was before, so it already looks drastically different than it did when we first started, but we still have a little ways to go.
gone and I grew up, I somehow made it through without any time. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on.
I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Your peace surrounds me, hope is found right
Well, I just got my laundry brought in and Abby came out with me and wants to play in the playhouse. So I'm gonna sit out here with them a little bit so they can play. Since it is corn day, it's not safe for them to be out here without me. I mean, otherwise, obviously, I would come check on them a lot too, but this is right next to where the tractors keep driving. So I'm gonna let them get some fresh air out here before we go and actually fold the laundry.
Do you think your baby? That's mine. And she can play with it.
I look into your face, all my fear falls away, singing glory to you, God. You undo me again, my Father and my friend, singing glory.
All right, my camera battery is almost dead, but I'm gonna try to get through my fall bucket list before it dies on me. To be completely honest, I am not ready for fall yet. Like today was perfect, where it's a little bit of a cooler morning and then, but nice and warm again in the afternoon, just less humid than it's been. But I just love summer and I'm not quite ready for it to end yet. However, a good way to have a fun fall is by making plans, planning for fun things that you can look forward to. And so that's what fall bucket list is all about for me. And I do love fall. I think honestly the last 2 years have ruined fall and winter for me a little bit with being extremely sick on the couch through my pregnancy with Avi 2 years ago, and then last year fighting really bad sinusitis where I also felt terrible. So now those seasons remind me of those things. In fact, last year I actually had PTSD of my morning sickness with Avi. I was so excited to decorate for Christmas. I went out to the storage and I saw the Christmas trees and my stomach starts to churn and I was like, what is going on? I actually had to go lay down. I felt that sick. So that's kind of what fall and winter remind me of now, but I'm determined to change that. I don't know if summer ever could be replaced for me. I just love summer, but I do think fall and winter can be fun again if I can just get some better memories associated with them. So, speaking of good memories, I'm gonna put my fall bucket list right here and go through it. So on the top of my list, and these are not in order of priority by the way, first on my list is to visit a sunflower field. I think that would be so much fun. I've never actually visited a sunflower field before, I don't think, but I'm pretty sure there are a number of them around here. So I wanna make that a priority to go see them this fall. Also would like to do a fall picnic maybe a few, especially like out in the fields. So beautiful. I would like to make a special fall drink. Might even do a video on that. I did one last year with fall drinks that was super fun to do. I want to bake pumpkin bread. I want to thrift a cozy fall sweater, which is fun. Any excuse to go thrifting, right? I want to dry florals, especially eucalyptus. I was trying to think what all I could actually dry. Oh, I guess I could do lavender as well. But I would love to dry some of those to keep around the house through the cold months. And then I want to make homemade chili in bread bowls, snuggle by a campfire, and bake an apple pie. This was a list that I came up with in 10 minutes maybe, so I'm sure I'll probably keep adding to them, but I'm excited for these. I think it'll be a fun way to celebrate the season. And let me know in the comments below something that's on your fall bucket list, or just something that you would love to do this fall. So for dinner, I want to make these harvest bowls that I got the recipe on Pinterest. I just printed it out here. I'll link it down below. I'm kind of doing a combination of a few different harvest bowls. I'm not going exactly by the recipe, but I am using their dressing recipe. So I'm really excited to put this together. I am the salad snob around here. I absolutely love salads, and this looks like a really fun way to dress it up, still have a lettuce base, but then have some other really tasty ingredients on top. It is already 6 o'clock, so I really need to get this thing rolling. Almost forgot to sign off, but thank you so much for following along today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for being here, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, friends.
Golden, golden things.